We would like to take this opportunity to thank you for supporting our Skills USA Candy Blitz fundraiser. I'm Becca Leese, your Skills USA parliamentarian.
Hi, I'm Christian Zastro, your Skills USA president.
Hi, I'm Paul-Ann Succo here from Clasen Quality Chocolate.
Let's make chocolate covered pretzels. So what's step one?
Step one is we need to pour our chocolate chips into a microwave-safe dish, which we have done.
Luckily, we already did that.
All right. Next, we need to put our chips in the microwave for 1 minute. All right, while those are started, why don't you tell me about Skills USA?
You can go.
All right. Skills USA is a tech ed program. It's student-led, so the students do majority of the work. And basically what Skills does, it allows students to compete in different varieties of competitions like first aid, CPR, engineering, the trades, and a bunch of other competitions that provide you the skills needed for after high school, and it allows you to develop yourself as an individual.
That's wonderful. So is this a course or is it an extracurricular activity like a club?
It's a club tied to Watertown High School.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's definitely integrated. Your teachers will definitely tell you about it in your more trade classes or engineering classes, but it's not actually part of the curriculum.
Okay, so teachers will encourage students to join if they see they have an aptitude or interest?
Exactly.
Fantastic. That's wonderful.
Also, Christian mentioned being student-led. It's also a leadership-based organization,
Okay.
so there's many different leadership opportunities. Being an officer, being a committee lead. So that's also a very big part of the organization.
Okay, let's check our chips. We're going to take them out.
Definitely
Stir
have
them
to
a little
mix
bit.
Careful, the
After
bowl's
the
probably
first
hot.
minute, we then will take and reheat or continue heating them in 30-second intervals. You want to make sure you gently warm your chocolate. We're not trying to cook it. We're just trying to melt it so we can work with it. Janelle, let me get your hot pad. Put this under the bowl.
There you go.
Pop that in there.
The bowl's going to get hot.
So what is your favorite experience at CQC?
My favorite experience? I don't really know how to answer that question. I really enjoy my job. It's a wonderful company to work for. And everywhere you go, it smells good. It smells like chocolate everywhere. I never knew chocolate making would be so complicated with ingredients and recipes and different shapes, sizes, forms, colors, flavors, you name it. We make all kinds of stuff.
It's fun.
It's fascinating. What questions do you have for me?
Here's a good one. Do you guys have any like apprenticeship opportunities for students in Watertown, or is it mostly adult based?
We actually have interns, but it's usually a college intern. I don't know that we've had any high school interns at this point, but that's a really great question. I could certainly look into it.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Watertown is actually very strong in their YA programs. I'm part of a YA. Christian, you're part of a YA too,
Yes.
correct?
Tell me what a YA is.
It's a youth apprenticeship.
Okay, fantastic.
Hospitality, retail,
Trades.
warehouse working like Christian.
I work at the warehouse in Johnson's Creek.
Okay.
And I'm a carpentry apprentice, so we're very strong on that end. A lot of our students participate in that program.
Excellent. All right, we're going to
throw
put
that
it
in again.
Yep, for another 30 seconds.
I want to lick that spoon.
Not yet.
Not yet.
At the end.
Probably burning hot.
Correct. All right. We'll continue to melt our chocolate till we get it nice and smooth. What other questions do you have for me?
It's a good one. Tell us about your chocolate tanker trucks.
Yes.
Oh, when I first started, we did a safety tour, and they took me out to one of the warehouses, or the warehouse is the wrong word, the Outbound Bay. And for the first time in my life, I was able to stand next to a tanker truck full of liquid chocolate, and I was just amazed.
Looks good.
It's getting hot, by the way.
That
think it's
looks
ready.
perfect. That looks absolutely
Yeah.
perfect. There's no lumps. It's nice and creamy and smooth.
Perfect.
All right, let's cover some pretzels.
Yeah, it is
Yeah, you can
very
put that up
hot.
on the
Let's
thing.
put it on the.
There. We don't want to burn our fingers
Yep.
or the table.
Uh-oh.
Ooh. So here we have our pretzels. We'll show you a little technique behind our chocolate pretzel making. Here's a spoon for you.
Oh, thank
Christian,
you.
there's your spoon.
Thank you.
Oh, as we can share.
So you kind of
Oh,
stick your
a
pretzel
spoon.
in and drape it down, kind of
Oh.
like that.
And how much of the pretzel are we looking to cover?
I'd say about 3/4. 3/4 is a good measurement for
Okay.
your chocolate. So
Give
you
you a little
wanna-
bit to hold on to.
Right.
And plenty of chocolate to eat.
You probably want to let it drip off a little bit.
You
But
can,
then
like-
the best part of this technique is tap it on the table, and then it falls down the rest of the 3/4. It's a little drippy, but a little extra decoration.
Beautiful.
I would never have
chocolate.
thought of that.
Yeah, when we were practicing this, we were like, huh, that's a good idea. So then you'll just lay these on your baking sheet. And then
Here, let's put it this way.
Ooh,
Ooh,
it might be too late.
might.
Yeah,
you
that's
think?
all right. We'll work around it.
Yep.
We'll make it work.
okay,
Okay. So how many of these are we going to make today?
whole bag. I don't know
whole
what that
bag?
is.
All right. I'll get one made here.
One pretzel.
So then you said you tap it upside down.
Yeah.
And if your chocolate starts to get a little too thick, if the viscosity goes up and it gets too thick, you can then just put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds, stir and check. Ooh.
And then beyond just the chocolate, there's a great opportunity to do a little festive decorating. You can get sprinkles. White chocolate is usually a popular favorite to drizzle over the top.
Do you guys sell white chocolate?
Of
We do.
course.
We
Really?
make
They also do
White-
you guys do like caramel chips too, or not caramel, or butterscotch or something?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. We make them all.
Yeah, can you list some of the products for us?
We make butterscotch chips. We make a bicolored chip that is a two-color. It's green and brown, and it's
Oh.
odd pieces, but it's mint chocolate chip, and they're fantastic. Sea salt caramel, white chocolate, dark chocolate, semi-sweet. We have a new no sugar added
Oh, wow.
that we make, and it's made with, I think some are made with inulin or stevia, so it's
Oh,
the
you're making me hungry.
alternative, healthier, not white sugar.
Sure.
So we have a wider range of products that we make.
Nice.
By any chance, can you deliver zero sugar, still sugar, low calorie chocolate chip tank to my house? I'm on a diet, so.
Boy, does that sound good. I wish I could.
Here, you haven't gotten it.
Oh,
so
thank you.
Of course.
Happy to help out. Ooh, I'm full of chocolate.
Me too.
All right, I'll take the spoon, and I better keep this one because I just coated the handle.
So Becca, what are some intro competitions that anyone can do at Skills?
TEC is probably the most popular intro competition. TEC stands for Team Engineering Challenge. Students will be given a prompt as a team of 3, and they have to solve that with materials that they are given. Last year, I had the prompt of building a catapult and throwing a ping pong ball. Materials given were like some pencils, rubber bands and stuff. Usually we have a better material spread than that, but yeah, that's the basis of the competition. You're solving a problem with a team of 3.
It was actually my first competition, so
Yeah, what was your prompt? Do you remember?
basically there was an earthquake down in the south and we were trying to find a way to send electricity. So what my team did, we made a way to do it by underground methods, and then the team and I presented that, and we actually got first place at districts.
Wow, I don't
That's
think I
really
even
exciting.
placed.
It really brought me to enjoy engineering at Skills.
So what was your favorite project? I heard one about a globe earlier with figurines, and it moved. Tell me more about that.
Chapter display. That is a competition that both Chris and I have competed in nationally, and we won nationally, our little gold medal. And the point of chapter display is to build a display that promotes your chapter and Skills USA as a whole. So like you said, our display was a rotating globe, as the theme was United as One.
Okay.
And then we also had little figurines that promoted our students, whether they did like automotive or a leadership competition. It's a very cool display, and our work was well worth it.
That sounds really amazing and very creative.
Christian, when did you join Skills and why, I guess?
My freshman year, I joined Skills. My sister's boyfriend was a welder for Skills, and after he graduated, he told me about it, and I was like, dang, engineering. So, you know, I joined it because I thought it would help shape me to become a better engineer.
Okay. And so students could go and check it out. They wouldn't necessarily have to join. They could come check it out, see if they're comfortable, see if it meets their interest and their needs.
We're
You know,
always welcoming.
Yes.
That sounds great.
You guys want to put that in the freezer?
Absolutely.
I'll
After-
give you this one.
Okay, that sounds good.
Little drippy.
That's okay.
I
We
wish
like
I could
lots
eat it
of
now.
chocolate on it.
Very
Okay.
good.
There's the freezer.
Okay, that'll be good. Oh.
I'm chocolate coating the freezer handle. I think we're gonna have to go like this.
I guess they're not gonna stay.
And just
Drop.
drop them.
There you
Okay,
go.
there we go. Thank you.
So at this time, we'd like to say thanks to CQC and the Watertown Public Television production crew for helping us make this opportunity happen. And thank you, viewers, for watching us and giving your donation to our Skills USA chapter.
Thank
thank
you for
you.
your support. Thank you.
Have a nice night.
What did you say?
Okay, that cut. That cut.